Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a vignette effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to edit by going to the File menu, selecting Import, and choosing your video files. Drag your clips to the timeline for editing. As you can see, I have mine already open. Now we will create a new layer. To do that, go to Project on your bottom left, right-click over here, and select a new item, and select the adjustment layer. Click OK over here. Now drag the adjustment layer to the top of your clip, then go to the Effects tab, and search for Lumetri Color. Simply drag and drop the Lumetri Color to your adjustment layer on the timeline. In the Effects Control panel, locate Vignette over here, usually located on the bottom of these options. Click on that one, and you can now edit the vignette based on your liking. By following the steps, you can create a customized look that draws attention to your subjects and sets the mood for your projects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.